Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Rizki Al-Ghifari, and
My name is Muhammad Fikri Ramadhan.
in this video, we will tell you how to make special fried rice with egg. First, blend the spice including onion, garlic, chili, pepper, and salt.
Then pour enough oil into skillet and heat.
Next, once hot, add the mashed spice, stir until fragrance sends.
After that, add the eggs and stir until cooked.
And then enter the supplement ingredients according to your taste and stir until evenly distributed and mature.
Next, enter the white rice and stir until mixed with all the condiments and complementary materials.
After that, if you smell fragrant, lift the rice and serve it on a plate.
And then add the decoration to make it look special.
Finally, special fried rice with egg ready to be served. That's all from us. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.